Okay, the first thing you want to do, we're going to combine 3 jumbo eggs. Okay, that's 2 eggs, and the last egg. And of course, you got double yolks. In 2/3 cup of vegetable oil. But anyway, you're gonna give it a whisk. And then I already preheat the oven for 350 degrees Fahrenheit. So make sure this oven is preheated. Next we're gonna add 3/4 cup of granulated sugar, a 1/2 cup, and the seperate. Perfect. I'm just gonna keep whisking it. So I'm gonna use a 1/2 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract. This is for the wet ingredients, and now we're going to move on for the dry ingredients. I also forgot to tell you, a 1/2 cup of whole milk. So I'm doing a separate bowl, put 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 teaspoons of baking powder. Then we got 1/4 teaspoon of salt. I'm going to use the spoon to get everything together, and now we're going to add to the dry to the wet ingredients. You add that little by little. So I got some blueberries. I'm going to be washing up some blueberries. So it has pines, but if you know how many blueberries do you want there, you can make it. You can put more or less blueberries if you like. So I'm going to make blueberry muffins. So this is going to be good blueberry muffins. I'm going to give it a try for it. Okay, I measured the pint, which is equals 2 cups of blueberries. It should look like I already rinsed to wash up. Then I'm going to fold it in and fold that into it. So you have to make sure to spray your pan. In this case, I'm going to decide to use with line with some parchment muffin liners. And what I to do with one, I'm going to be using with the ice cream scooper. So I'm going to see how many full of the muffins you got here, but I'm going to try that so you see how it looks. Got the muffins already battered up, and the other one you got this one too for it. So we're gonna bake these for about 30 or 40 minutes. I'm gonna see how it works. Okay, the first one. Well, you're gonna serve it up, and then using the toothpick into the center, and it comes out clean. Oh, I wish you could smell it. It smells really good. See this? And you see the toothpick, it comes out clean. If you like more recipes, make sure to debate in the comments below, and then give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. Enjoy your blueberry muffin.